Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download your images in Midjourney. And this video is gonna mainly focus on the website and not the Discord application. So this is gonna be the website itself. Now, it's not technically the same or identical one you should be seeing also on your end because these are my images. But the user interface should look like this. Now, to simply download this one, make sure you click on that Enable Select Mode. And then just choose which image you want. Much like you're using your phone, your tablet, or mobile devices, or camera roll or gallery, this is how we download, right? We're gonna select images we're gonna like. Now, that is step 1. Step 2 is basically make sure your mouse pointer is outside the grid and simply hold it and drag it across here. Much like you're hovering your photos or your pointer alongside it. Now, for example, I've chosen this 8 right here, and I don't want to download this one. I can simply click on or select it. As you can see, the green grid is gone, and only this 7 can be downloaded on my end. If you notice on the bottom right, you can also have a counter so you won't get lost on how many you've selected already. Another thing that I like about this one is you can just select all, and then choose from which that you don't like. Easy as that. Again, if you want to highlight one only, hover your mouse on the outside of the grid, click it and hold it alongside it. Now, if you're ready to download your images, for example, I'm going to go with this 3. I can just simply make sure I am on downloader and add to collection. So with this one, simply click on open downloader. Now, after clicking download all, you'll see this option where you can choose a batch size and basically use smaller batches on slower device or internet. But for me, I'm going to go with the neutral one. And these are the jobs. I have 3 images, and then click on download all. Now, Midjourney is now going to prepare a zip for my photos to be in, and I'm just going to extract them later on. And as you can see right there, this is the zip file. Now, to open this one, you'll see this folder action there, or folder logo. Simply click on it, and you'll see this option. So with this one, simply click on right click. You can extract here. By default, if you click extract here, the images will be going to your download file. But if you want them to be extracted on a specific folder, make sure you click on extract to on this one right here. That being said, extract files, and I'm going to choose a folder to save it. Now I'm going to go with desktop by default, and simply I can now check on desktop, and now I have this folders. Inside it are my images. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.